Hi everybody, welcome back to Polymer Clay by Deb. I'm Deb, Crazy Felix as you know, and today we are here, as promised, to give away this little Petey Penguin. And guess what? If you're wondering what all this is a bunch of ornaments that I found that we haven't given away yet. So I am really excited that we are going to be doing giveaways on all of this. So let me just update you on some of these. The unicorn tutorial, you all probably remember that. We never gave him away. We did a bear tutorial, never gave that away. We did Petey Penguin series at the beach, and this is a Petey Penguin on a float, who is one of my favorite ornaments of all time. We have Petey Penguin at the beach as well. We did a tutorial on this and did not give it away. We did a robin tutorial. We will be doing a German Shepherd tutorial because I actually had a request for that. This is Petey Penguin, Lifeguard Petey, and I'm not sure if we gave him away, and if we did, we found another one, so how about that? We also have a bear here. These I did not make, but we'll be giving them away just the same. Here's another bear. And then we have this stork ornament that we did a video on to do a giveaway, but I don't know that we ever gave it away. Well, apparently we didn't give it away because we still have it. So anyway, we have all of these to give away. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. So let me explain how this works. In order to win, you have to be subscribed. And if that sounds like a bribe, that's because it is. Anyway, that's how it goes. You need to subscribe in order to win, and every week, and maybe once a month or maybe once a week, we will upload a giveaway, and you'll be notified that we are doing it, and then you leave a comment and we pick a winner, and then we announce the winner. So it's really very simple. You just need to be subscribed. So moving on, the lucky winner of Mr. Petey Penguin, dun 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 dun, is Sherry Berry. Congratulations, you are the winner. All you need to do is send me a message with your address where to send the ornament, and it's yours. And you could also send me the message on our Facebook page as well. Just send me a private message. So, that's all there is to it. Okay, so that's it today for this giveaway. So until next time, I'm Deb, Polymer Clay by Deb. This is Crazy Felix. And our next tutorial coming up on Sunday is going to be how to make this jelly bean jar. So be sure you're subscribed for that as well. So we'll see you there. Bye now.